This 2022 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5230 Slide, rear bath is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, Skylight, TV, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, Slideout, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2022 Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5230 Slide, rear bath is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.